Hey folks, what an exciting day. And I cannot wait to tell you about the fact that the most exciting tool set that I've had a chance to review in the last decade just came across my desk. It's from VEVOR, and you've seen me use VEVOR tools for over 5 years now. You've seen me review their jackhammer and everything all the way to their button press that I surprisingly use all the time and I absolutely love. Well, today, this mechanical toolkit is revolutionizing my workbench and my workspace. That's because it's so organized and so perfect. Unlike my previous Craftsman set that the tools spilled out every time I picked up the kit, this is organized, it's convenient, and it's powerful. So let's go ahead and check it out. We're gonna kick it off right now. And before we get started, I want to tell you that VEVOR is having a grand opening event March 9th in Houston, Texas. And we'll put all of the information below. They'll have a ribbon cutting, Chris Fix autograph signing, and at 3 p.m., the Houston Rockets. They'll have a superstar there as well. There's going to be giveaways, special guests, VIPs, games, music, and of course me. So make sure to check that out, and again, all that information is in the description below. Now let's go ahead and tell you a little bit about the product itself. This is VEVOR's mechanical tool set and socket set. They've got the deep drive and the standard sockets. It's 450-piece SAE and metric, so you've got everything you need no matter what type of car you're working on. You got bits, hex wrenches, combination wrenches, accessories, and of course the storage case. In this case, my assistant Crystal is showing off all of the products while I'll tell you all about it, including, I gotta tell you, when you buy from VEVOR, you have 100% secure payment, secure privacy, free returns, 30-day return policy, refunds if packages are lost or damaged, 12-month warranty and customer service. And let's face it, with the quality of these tools, you don't have to worry about that warranty because they are built to last. Yeah, the tools themselves are made of CRV chrome plating to ensure resistance to rust. I've never had one rust. Maintaining its quality for extended usage. It's rigorously tested. The materials are durable and they're long lasting, so you can tackle even the toughest jobs. Diverse components. This mechanical kit is very diverse, perfect for car care, do-it-yourself adventures, equipment tinkering, and it has a wide range of socket sizes so you can conquer pretty much any task. This is your one piece that's going to allow you to get any job done, whether you're working on your car, your e-bike, around the house, or a whole lot more. Now it can withstand 95 to 317 inch-pounds of high torque, and the tool set takes on the challenge of dismantling tough nuts and bolts and machinery. Yeah, it's meticulously designed. I love the look of these pieces, and I love how well the box is designed. I think that's understated because nothing falls out, nothing moves, nothing shifts. Everything has a place. This makes you look and feel like a real professional. Now the attachments are for the win. It's got the socket set that comes with all the complete accessories. This will meet all of your usage needs. You can effortlessly install pretty much anything you need. It's good to go without a word to say. Now, I love that portable storage case. It's just beautiful, but it's also functional. This tool set features lightweight portable design so you can carry it just about anywhere. Take it to the job. No more hunting for the tool you need when you get to the job, folks. And that's the key. You have everything you need. Hundreds of tools, variations, and designs, perfect for you and me. Mix and match, and you get that quality guarantee that's associated with VEVOR that we know and love. So again, whether you're working on the car, tightening a bolt on your bike, or working on various projects around the house, this is the tool set that you absolutely need. Folks, you know we love and appreciate you, but it's absolutely time to go pick this up. All right, let's go ahead and close this out in a minute. But if you haven't already, go ahead and put it in your cart. Oh yeah. And there you go, friends. And don't forget that VEVOR has a pop-up store coming to the Houston area next week. So make sure to check back for more about that. VEVOR Power, Folks, the most powerful tools in all the land, you know I love them, and you're gonna love them as well. At a price point that won't break the bank, you're getting incredible performance, incredible durability, and a style and sophistication that you're going to love. Special thanks to my assistant Crystal for displaying some of the tools on this, and of course to Watson who did all the editing. Thanks for watching. I love you guys. Now go get some VEVOR tools today. Adios, amigos.